Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sleek, fully functional sidebar in Google Sites in 2025. Whether you want a modern navigation style or just an easy way for visitors to explore your pages, this guide will make it simple. First, head over to Settings in your Google Sites editor. From there, click on Navigation. Here you'll find the option to change the mode. Switch it to Side, and just like that, your pages will now appear in a collapsible sidebar. You'll notice a small hamburger icon on the corner of your site. This is the toggle that opens and closes the sidebar. Next, let's customize it. Click on the Pages icon to manage what appears in your sidebar. You can show or hide the sidebar, add new pages, and rearrange them however you like. This gives your visitors a smooth and organized navigation experience while keeping your site looking clean and professional. The sidebar isn't just functional. It's a great way to make your website feel modern and user-friendly. Once you're done setting it up, preview your site to see how it works in real time. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your Google site with a stylish sidebar that's easy to navigate. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more tips to make your website stand out.